Oh, God, there they go.
The following is a high wind warning.
High wind warning?
For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Fayette Ridges, Indiana, and Westmoreland Ridges. What? West winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Where? In Pennsylvania, higher elevations of Fayette, higher elevations of Westmoreland and Indiana counties. In West Virginia, eastern Preston, and western Tucker counties. When? Until 7 p.m. this evening. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm, and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. The forecast for Pittsburgh and surrounding counties. For tonight, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of rain showers this evening.